DMK MPs led by Kanimboji and T. Shiva staged a protest within the premises of Parliament House, voicing strong opposition to the proposed delimitation process. The MPs raised concerns that the redrawing of constituents could disproportionately affect certain regions, especially Tamil Nadu, potentially undermining fair political representation. They argue that the delimitation could lead to the dilution of the state's influence in Parliament, particularly in light of its demographic realities. The protest was a direct challenge to what the DMK sees as a move that could disadvantage their political standing and disrupt the delicate balance of representation across the country. The demonstration highlighted the ongoing controversy surrounding the delimitation process, which has sparked debates about fairness and equity and the potential political ramifications across different states.
வளர்ந்த மாநிலங்களை வஞ்சிக்காதே. பிரிக்காதே 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 வஞ்சிக்காதே 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 வளர்ந்த மாநிலங்கள்